Hello everyone, this is Hazel Hildreth again. Welcome back to my vlog. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm cooking an egg roll. It's a pork egg roll. Pork chop with egg rolls for our lunch for today. I buy this at JY, so it's easier to cook, and the taste is really good. The pork chop and the egg roll. Hello everyone, this is Hazel Hildreth, and welcome back to my vlog. And today I just buy a simple food. I buy this in JY. I buy a pork chop, it's ready made, and also egg roll, lumpia in Bisaya. And I buy this because it's easy and it tastes good. I buy this before and I love it, so that's why I cook. I just fried this, the egg roll, and just fried the pork chop. And then I have the mango and I have the pea soup. So it's our lunch time, so it's easy and quick food. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll see you next time. Bye.